One of the first things I did when I started converting my long wheelbase Sprinter camper van was to install a wired Boscam reversing camera. It lasted about 2 months, meaning I enjoyed reversing maybe 15 or 20 times without having to get out in the rain and check the back of the van when reversing up to anything solid. So a couple of years later, and being fed up of getting drenched up here in Scotland just to reverse into a parking spot, I invested in the AUTO-VOX wireless camera. Build quality of the camera and solar battery module seems quite good, although the monitor is one of the usual generic cheap plastic things, which is a shame as that's the component you spend most time looking at in the cab. Having first fully charged the camera battery unit using the included USB cable, I then fitted it to the back of the rear number plate, which was straightforward with the excellent two-sided adhesive. However, the wire from the battery unit seemed to be set up for fitting both camera and battery to the vehicle and not the number plate, and if I did it again, I would undo the mount on the battery and move the cable to better suit the license plate fitting option. In reality, I could probably have had the wire go around the end of the battery mount, but as I wanted the camera nearer to the middle of the back of the van, I ended up compromising by having the wire going under the adhesive attached to the number plate. Screen options were relatively easy to use, and I turned off the distance grid as the camera is off centre. The trigger button on the 12-volt plug is genius to turn the camera on, a very neat innovation I reckon. So first impressions are good, and I'm very happy that the signal strength works with a long wheelbase. If I've got any problems or issues with the AUTO-VOX with the passage of time, I'll add them to the description. It's all good.